In this video, we're going to be talking about Kimi K2.6, which is a brand new AI model released by Moonshot AI. First thing first, we're going to look at what makes this model special. Currently, we're on the Hugging Face page for Kimi K2.6, where the actual model weights were released. From here, we can see Kimi K2.6 is a 1.1 trillion parameter model, and it also supports text and images, and it has 26K context window. So if you come down, you'll see this information. So this is where we have the context length as 26K. Also, if you come down, you see the evaluation results benchmark, where Kimi K2.6 is compared to other models like GPT 5.4, Claude and Gemini. And from this result, we can see that Kimi K2.6 is dominating in various tasks like agentic, coding, reasoning, and vision. So now that we've seen a bit information of this model, in this video, what we want to demonstrate is how you can connect to this model by running it via Claude Code. So I'm going to show you two different approaches to which you can connect to this model. So the first approach is connecting via OpenRouter, and the second approach is connecting via Ollama. Now let's look at the first approach, which is connecting via OpenRouter. So before anything, let's ensure we have Claude Code installed on our machine, as we're going to be connecting to this Kimi K2.6 model on Claude Code. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the ClaudeCode official website. So just come to your browser and you type download ClaudeCode. So you go to the overview section, then you're going to scroll down. So based on your operating system, you're going to locate whichever one you're using. So if you're using Mac, Linux, or WXL, you can use this command. So if you're using Windows, so you copy this, then you open your that's your PowerShell. So you open your PowerShell, then you paste this command. Yeah, so you paste this command to install Claude Code. So I'm not going to be installing that since I have Claude Code on my machine. So after you've installed Claude Code on your machine, all you need to do is you need to open a new terminal. Then just type Claude. So which is going to confirm this is your installation. Yeah, so this shows like I have Claude Code on my machine. So now we're going to close this, and so the next thing is we're going to go to the OpenRouter integration page with Claude Code. So just type OpenRouter integration with Claude Code. Yeah, so which is the first one, just click on it. So now I'm going to scroll down. So I'm going to scroll down so you can see all these quick starts, which is if you've installed Claude Code or not. So what I'm interested in is, yeah, so we're already here. So we can see all these different commands. So I'm interested in this. So I'm interested in all these environment variables. And what I actually need is I'm going to select this project settings file. So which is what I need. And I'm going to copy this. So here's where we have the anthropic base URL. And this is where we have the anthropic auth token, and this is where we have the anthropic API key. So but remember, like, we're going to be connecting with the OpenRouter, so which means we're going to be using our OpenRouter API key. So I think before that we also need to create our OpenRouter API key. So there is a link for us to do that. So you're going to click on this, so we can go to the API key section. So another thing you must know is, like, if you're using the OpenRouter, you need to have a paid subscription on your OpenRouter account, which gives us access to use the Kimi K2.6 model, because this model is not actually free if you are connecting it with OpenRouter. After we've been able to subscribe to our account, so we can go ahead to create the API key. So under this API key, just come down here, you click on create, then you click on the name, then you click create. So you're going to copy the API key that you probably get from there. So we're going to need this API key because this is what we're going to be setting under the anthropic API key. So I'm not going to do that. I already have an API key which I'm going to use. So now let's go back to the integration page. So remember I told you, like, we're going to copy this project settings file. After we've copied it, then we're going to open our VS Code. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a folder here, so, and call this folder .claude. So I'm going to call this .claude, then I'm going to create another folder under it, which is the settings.json. Now I'm going to paste what I copied earlier, so I'm going to paste this. So remember, we have the OpenRouter API key, so I'm going to need the OpenRouter API key here. So this is where I'm going to paste my OpenRouter API key. And another thing is we also need to specify the model. So you're going to call this anthropic model. Okay, so I've written the anthropic model. So this is where I pasted my OpenRouter API key, so which is under the anthropic auth token. So remember, I defined the anthropic model, so this is where I'm going to paste the name of the model we want to use. So let's go back and we're going to check the Kimi K2.6 name on OpenRouter. So just click on models. Yeah, so we're going to copy this, so which is this moonshot. So just come under this small copy command. So just copy that. And I'm going to paste this. So this is the name of the model that I want to use. And remember everything that we did. So let's go over it again. So this is the anthropic base URL. And this is the auth token where we have the OpenRouter API key. And remember, this anthropic API key has to be empty. And under the anthropic model, you specify the name of the model, which is the moonshot Kimi K2.6 model. So now that we've done that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down to my terminal, and I'm going to type Claude. Yeah, so I've connected successfully with this model. So if you come there, you can see the moonshot Kimi K2.6 model, so which shows like I've been able to connect to this model. And let's test this by saying hi. So you can see I've actually gotten a response. So let's say I want to build let's say anything like a project, create a portfolio for me. So it's about to create my portfolio website, but I really don't want to use my token. But we've been able to see how you can connect to the Kimi K2.6 using OpenRouter. So let's say you want to create a project under this folder, you can be able to do that. So I've been able to demonstrate the first method, so which is how you can connect via OpenRouter. So now we're going to be looking at the second method, which is connecting through Ollama. So to connect to this Kimi K2.6 model via Ollama, it requires you to have an Ollama Pro account, so which means you need to be a paid subscriber. So all you need to do is you need to copy this command, so which is Ollama run Kimi K cloud, so which shows that you're using the cloud version. Just come to your terminal and you can paste the command. So if I type hi or anything, so it's going to tell me like this model requires a subscription. So let's say you have an Ollama Pro account. I believe you would have been able to connect to this model, and you also want to launch this model with Claude. So all you need to do is you also copy this command, so just like the way we did it with OpenRouter earlier. So this is a demonstration of launching Claude by using Ollama while we specify the Kimi K model. Now you've been able to see how you can connect to the Kimi K2.6 cloud. Let's say you want to use OpenRouter or you want to use the Ollama. If this video has been very helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so you can always see related videos like this. Thanks for watching. I would love to see you next time.